Are you an online marketer and you want to know how to make more affiliate commissions? Well, if you do, in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 things that you need to know in order to make more affiliate commissions this year. So stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you are here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis and I want to make sure that you get access to them. All right, so affiliate commissions. What I love about affiliate marketing is that there is a product that's already been created and sales pages and everything else. All you have to do is get that offer in front of the right people. And in this video, what I want to share with you are those 4 steps. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive into them and we're going to start right now with number 1. All right, the first thing that you want to do is create what we call a lead magnet. Now, I have done extensive training on this before, but lead magnets are crucially important. Basically, what a lead magnet is it's something of value that your potential prospect will want or find value in exchange for their information. All right, now what you want to do is you really want to hone in on who your perfect prospect is and what it is that they want. What do they need? What do they need help with? What can you give them that will give them an immediate result? And there are many things out there. Let me give you an example, okay? One of the things that I do is I teach all forms of online marketing. And I know that one of the things that social media marketers in particular have is they have a problem typically with getting engagement on social media. So I could create a PDF or some type of cheat sheet that gives them a way to get more engagement. Could be some copy and paste posts, some templates of some sort, something that helps them get an immediate result. This is something that I have really kind of built my business around, is giving away great content and things that can actually help people, and it has created a raving audience for me. But a lead magnet is really something very, very powerful, and it's a first impression that you can give your prospects that will really help them get a result in their business. So a lead magnet is something free you give them, a PDF, a video series, some type of video training, whatever it may be. It's something that you create and give them for their contact information, and this will allow you to start to begin to build a relationship with them. So I'm going to put some resources here also in the description, and if you're on my blog, make sure you look. I've got some other training that I've done regarding lead magnets that I think you'll find very, very enjoyable. All right, so let's dive into number 2. All right, so once you've created your lead magnet, you now need to create a capture page. Now, a capture page is something that allows you to capture people's information. That's why it's called a capture page, their name and email. Now, if you look right here, this is how a potential capture page looks. This is how most of my capture pages look, and they are very, very effective. It's very simple. There's not a lot to it. It basically just states exactly what they're going to get, and this is something that allows me to put my name out there and give free value away in order to create a lead or create a prospect, okay? This works incredibly well, and it allows me to connect with my audience. This is what you can do as well. So creating a simple capture page. Now, in order to do a capture page, you need to have some type of page builder. Now, the thing is you don't need to know a bunch of HTML and programming language these days in order to create a capture page. You can use simply a capture page builder, something like My Lead System Pro, or what I like to use is OptimizePress. OptimizePress is on the WordPress platform, and it works really, really well. These are my 2 top options that I usually refer people to. All right, OptimizePress tends to be a little bit more technical, so if you're not very technical and you want something very simplified, I highly recommend MLSP's Funnelizer. It is a great thing. So look in the description of this video, you'll find the links, and if you're on my blog, you'll find them here as well. But you need to build a capture page. This way, it showcases the value that you're giving, and it's super simple to put together. All right, so that's number 2. Let's dive into number 3. All right, so once you've created your lead magnet, you've created your capture page, now when people go and put their name and email in and it goes into your database or your autoresponder, you want to have a 5 to 7 day email series. And this series is something that is crucially important. You know, one of the things is that people will not buy on the first exposure. It is proven over and over and over again that in order for people to buy, they need multiple exposures. Very rarely do I ever get a sale on the very first exposure to something. I don't typically buy when I first see something. I'll look at it, maybe think about it, forget about it, then I'll get another email about it and it'll remind me, oh, I kind of like that. Let me go take a look at it again. So there are times, definitely, when I go and I need a second, third, or fourth look at something before I buy. This is why you want to have an email autoresponder series set up if you're trying to sell a specific type of product. Now, an autoresponder series may not be the best solution in every case. However, it is pretty basic. One of the autoresponders that I recommend is called Aweber. Now, Aweber has been around for a long time. It's a very, very reputable autoresponder. It's been around a long time, and they have a great reputation in the marketing field or industry. Okay, but you want to create those follow-ups that lead people back to the offer and also provide value in the meantime. So you have to create that. You want to sit down, write those emails, or have someone write them for you. But it's very, very important that you must have some follow-up. Fortune is in the follow-up, and it means absolutely everything. You can't just expect to get a lead and then for them to buy right away. It just doesn't happen, and you need to continually follow up with people via your autoresponder in order to finally get the sale. Very, very important. Number 3 is writing a 5 to 7 day email follow-up series. All right, let's dive into number 4. All right, so number 4 in this process, the 4th step is to go out and start promoting it via social media and other traffic sources. Now, here's the thing. There are so many different ways to drive traffic. One of my favorite ways is Facebook ads. Facebook ads are very inexpensive, especially if you do it the right way. A lot of people say Facebook ad costs are high. That just depends on if you're doing it the right way or not. If you're doing it wrong, it's absolutely going to go higher. But the thing is, there's so many ways to drive traffic to your offers. And I think one of the best ways is Facebook. Now, if you're one of the ways you can do it is to go into Facebook groups that are in your niche and begin to talk and chat with people. And as you talk and chat, you can let people know, hey, I put together a free guide. If you want it, let me know and I'll send you the link. Okay, one of the other great ways to do it is to do Facebook ads. Just as I said, Facebook ads can be very inexpensive. You can start for as little as $1 per day. And I know some clients of mine that are spending literally $5 and $7 a day, and they're getting anywhere from 20 to 30 leads a day on $5. So you can really start to generate a lot of leads on Facebook, especially with ads if you do it the right way. Well, these are the basic steps. You see, building an email list is crucial. You've heard me talk about it before, but these are the basic steps to selling more affiliate products. It's very, very rare that people are going to buy the very first click that they go to a sales page. They need follow-up, but they need the structure set up properly. The lead magnet, the capture page, the follow-up series, and then the traffic. Those are the 4 things. That's the 4 steps that you need in order to sell more affiliate products. All right? Do you have some more steps? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to know how to make more money from home, I have a PDF for you. If you look down below in this video description, you'll see a link for that. Also, if you're on my blog, look right below this. And this is the 5 best ways to make money from home. All right? This is a PDF. You can download it. It's pretty awesome, and it can help you start making some money today. All right? Appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.